Hi, I'm Harris, and this is k12learn2gether. This idea came from a problem I personally experienced during school. Like millions of students, I learned from YouTube. The content was great, but staying focused wasn't. One recommendation, one notification, or switching between WhatsApp, Google Meet, and Notes was enough to completely break my concentration. I realized students don't actually have a content problem. They have a learning environment problem. We already have amazing teachers on YouTube, but the tools we use weren't designed for focused, collaborative studying. That's why I built k12learn2gether. So instead of building another learning platform, I asked a different question. What if we could transform YouTube into a distraction-aware, collaborative study environment? That's how k12learn2gether was born. Students can securely sign in, create or join collaborative study rooms, and study together in one distraction-aware workspace. Instead of juggling multiple apps, everything is available in one place, from the learning session to AI assistance, daily goals, focus tracking, and progress analytics. Our AI study coach supports students without replacing teachers, while the focus timer and analytics encourage consistent study habits and genuine accountability. k12learn2gether was built during OpenAI Build Week using both Codex and GPT 5.6. Codex accelerated implementation, debugging, and refactoring, while GPT 5.6 helped improve architecture, user experience, and technical decisions throughout development. While designing k12learn2gether, I wanted to solve the problems that I personally faced as a student instead of simply adding more features. One of those problems was consistency. Students can set a daily study goal, and a streak is only earned after completing that goal. This encourages regular learning rather than just opening the app for a few minutes. I also wanted the focus tracking to be genuine. If a student switches to another tab or leaves the study session, both the lecture and the focus timer pause automatically. This means progress reflects actual learning time, not just time spent with the application open. Another challenge I experienced was group study. Most students use WhatsApp, Discord, or other messaging apps, but conversations quickly drift away from studying. Instead of helping, they often become another source of distraction. That's why I designed a shared AI study coach instead of a normal group chat. Every student in the room interacts with the same AI assistant, keeping discussions centered on the lecture, clearing doubts together, and encouraging collaborative learning without off-topic conversations. Our goal isn't to replace YouTube or teachers. It's to transform the educational content students already trust into a focused, collaborative learning experience. Because students don't need more content, they need a better environment to learn.